I wasn't even necessarily going to film, but there was that adorable little bird that I saw, and I decided to take the camera out. Some asshole put wild bird seed all over the ground here at Walmart. Imagine that. Imagine what happens. Yeah, it was me. I'm the asshole. These dorks came down, like 6 of them. And now, I don't know, this one's just standing around, standing guard while the other birds feed. I don't know, there's that little adorable one again. Yeah, I'm not going to film them while they eat the entire... it wasn't the entire content of a birdseed bag, by the way. It was only about 1/3 of a bag. I had used it yesterday at the park, and the birds weren't coming around. Now, there's owls present. Probably other predators take interest. I'm always interested also in the birds that are up there. Now, there are birds that are up on this lamppost, but instead of filming the birds on the lamppost, I'm going to continue to film the adorable birds eating the wild bird seed. Now, these two are fighting, running around a little bit. I don't know what their problem is. There's plenty for everyone. Oh, car. There you go. Yeah, it was me. I did it.
Sorry, fellas.
That was all sorts of adorable. Thank you, sir. Guy actually goes, sorry, fellas. I don't know if the camera picked that up. Yeah, I could find better places to do this too, by the way. Maybe going forward we will. I slept here at the Walmart parking lot in Hollywood, actually quite near the casino. I thought about checking it out. The full moon's in Gemini. I'm not sure if the full moon's in Gemini. I know the moon rose full, and I know the full moon is going to be in Gemini. I don't know what time the moon enters Gemini. But I thought that would be a significant excuse for me to go gamble. But then I didn't. So I don't know. I slept in the Walmart parking lot and saved money instead. Tonight, who knows? I've slept in my car 2 straight nights. I kind of need a room. And it's not even that I can't afford it. I just don't want to pay the deposit anymore. It's a $100 deposit, and then I get it back, but it's funds that I need through the course of my day-to-day operation. I'm kind of tired of having that money in flux. So last night I looked at the money. It was only about $57 for a very nice room, but then it was a $100 deposit, and I said no. Slept in the car. And what's amazing is I didn't know how much birdseed this was. This is a fuck ton of birdseed. Sorry, Aunt Joan. Which I'm fine with. The whole part of the process is learning. This turns out to be a lot of birdseed. I didn't realize. It was like 1/3 of a bag. Next time I just put down a handful. But these motherfuckers, they're eating their fill. All right, you fat asses, you've had enough. That's gonna spread some love around. Oi. Those little tiny birds, they weren't getting any. Those little tiny birds would come up and they would poke at the little sides there, and they weren't getting any. And those big fat birds were sitting in the middle, hogging everything.
Who threw that in the middle of the road?
I know, it was a bad mistake. Next
Oh,
time
was yours?
that was mine.
Wow.
I know.
It's
I'm
because
learning.
The car is coming.
I see it. I'm learning. I would have found a better place up there, maybe.
Next time.
But for now, the birds are fine. There's not that many cars.
Oh, yeah.
Iowa, you say?
Yeah.
Nice.
Later on, it's going to be a lot of traffic.
I know. That's why I'm getting out of here myself anyway. I'm an Uber driver.
Oh, you do?
And I'm trying, every once in a while, I try to save money by not taking a room for the night. Yeah.
It's very expensive.
I didn't have to necessarily last night, but I did. I'm trying to save up for a down payment on a place here in Hollywood, I think.
Very expensive.
Hollywood's very expensive? I haven't looked into it yet. Yeah. I might have to go someplace west. Out west, before you get to the Everglades, there's still plenty of people, plenty of business for my Uber.
Okay.
And cheaper.
On cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Farther away from the coast you get, the cheaper it gets.
Well, I'm thinking going to Jacksonville
Oh, nice.
because it's cheaper. And,
Yeah.
I'm gonna look up for a job in an airport,
Okay.
and I'm gonna see what happens. If not, they're gonna take the hiring process and stuff.
Yeah.
If they're gonna take too long, I'm headed out to Jacksonville.
Yeah, that's good. I've heard good things about Jacksonville too. I was thinking of checking it out, but I started out on the other side of the coast in Fort Myers area.